Hey Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, checking in on me, yours. Trolleys, welcome back to the channel. And also, don't y'all forget to subscribe if you haven't. Visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, checking iners, trolleys. If you keep coming back this long, you might as well have the nerve to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to give me some thumbs up. I love them. Love you for it. Appreciate you. Okay, today I'm just sharing a small online grocery haul. Everything up here is not from the grocery haul. What's from the grocery haul is the pie crust and the great value roast beef. The rest of the stuff up here are the ingredients that I'm about to put into this beef pot pie that I'm making for dinner today. I'm putting those mixed vegetables in it, 2 cans of whole new potatoes, a couple of cans, maybe 3, husband love a lot of meat, of the maybe 3 cans of the roast beef. And I opened one up so y'all can see what it looked like in there. Look about the same as the one from the Sam's Club. By the way, they don't have any, and they raised the price to $17. You might as well say 18 because there's some change on it. Used to be 12 something. That stuff is $18 for a pack of those. So I just moseyed on over to Walmart and got me some, and I'm happy for it. And I got bell pepper I'm put in there, and some celery, and the mixed vegetables I told y'all I'm in love with because I like the chunky size of them. Put some carrots in there. I need another can of carrots, but that's all right. And I'm put some beef broth. So that's what we have for dinner, beef pot pie. And I just wanted to come here and chat with y'all, let y'all see how y'all doing. Share another video. Keep my my channel active. I've been busy on my crafting. Well, not too busy on the crafting, but busy on the well, I've been trying to be busy because on my crafting, on my gardening channel, y'all want to see what I'm doing in the on the gardening channel, come on through, hit me up, visit me, holler at me, just say hello. If you don't want to watch the video, just come through and say hi. It's all appreciated. Say hi on the crafting channel. Right now, what I'm getting ready to do is add some make another episode. I made a little amateur movie over there on the crafting channel with my characters that I have been writing a story about, making a story for them. Some of y'all that's been with me for a while know that I made this story called The Reindeer Brothers, and some of the characters I crocheted, and they are starring in this little minute video I made on the crafting channel. If y'all want to check it out, come on through. Just click the link that's in the description box or up on the banner, that page, that big old picture on my home page. Click on that and it'll take you to the crafting channel, or just hit the link in the description box and it'll take you over there. Because right now on the crafting channel, I'm getting ready to make another episode of the characters, involving the characters, just a little short little thing. And I am creating some more characters to create this scene I want. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Thanks for you guys that are subscribed to my crafting channel and have already seen the video. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. You guys are marvelous, amazing. And I appreciate you very much. So, just wanted to come through. Oh, any prepper news? Any prepper news? Well, Miss JENITA, I ain't in this video today, but I can share some prepper news. I've been checking them out. They complaining about sugar not being available, war, what happened in Texas, still telling you to stock up, create a food source, whatever, and gasoline shortage, all that stuff. And what else? Oh, the electricity rolling blackouts. It's a terrible storm supposed to be going on, so hope you guys that are going to be affected by those storms, be safe, be careful, take care of yourself. Hopefully you have what you need already to survive on. If you're not going to be able to get to that store, hopefully you guys took heed and listened to some of these preppers about being prepared. Get some stuff. It might be still time to do so, but hopefully you do it. Can't keep on crying and yelling to folks that, you know, don't want to do it. So we do the best we can to help folks, you know, give them a shove, give them a push, try to encourage them to do some things that, you know, might, you know, help them avoid chaos and confusion and disappointment, heartbreak, hurt, pain from not having something that you could have, you know, taken care of if you had only listened or, you know, took that step and got what you needed. But everybody don't listen. Everybody think they know best, which is their prerogative, because everybody grown. We talking to grown folks. We ain't talking to children. We talking to grown folks, telling them get prepared so their family will be okay. But to all of y'all that know what's up and already got your stuff stocked up, whoa, 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 hey, 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 right on, right on, right on. You know what's up. You ain't got to go to the store. You just got to replace the stuff that you regularly keep using, but everything else is stocked up. You can go in that stock room and create a meal. Like I got these things up here from my stockpile, except for the roast beef I just got today. Y'all know I got some roast beef from Sam's Club, but like I say, they raised the price and it's sold out. Somebody that went through there and cleaned all the beef out. Now I bet y'all gonna go to Walmart and clean all the beef out of over there too. Well, you got the funds. They say folks going in debt now because of the high gasoline price. I was looking at an article out here in LA, downtown, somebody selling gas for $9 a gallon. $9 a gallon. $9 a gallon. They hurting people like a mug. You know, folks going into their credit. And you know, that's creating more bills every month, because I can't stand it. You know, you got to pay until you pay that mess off, especially if you got a long way to go because you have used a big chunk of it and you know your credit score go down. But you got to do what you got to do these days to survive with all the price increases, hikes, supply chain shortages, allegedly. Everything I'm telling y'all is alleged. I don't know if any of this stuff is true. Is there a gasoline shortage? Some of the Congress people supposed to be doing something about it. Like I say, allegedly. Everything is alleged. I'm gonna get out here because this is just making me irritated just thinking about what Congress supposed to be doing and ain't doing, allegedly. I'm out. Hope y'all have a great day. It's the first of the month. It's June 1st. We in June and summer ain't here. Some folks making videos talking about summer barbecues. Hello, this is spring. Summer ain't till June 22nd. Well, what I've seen on it don't start till June 22nd. We are still in beautiful spring with flowers popping up everywhere, and it's about to be 80 degrees where I'm at today. We'll get some warm weather. Some of y'all probably cold in the rain, snow, whatever. Just stay comfortable as you can. Eat a good, warm, hearty meal. Go check y'all pantries. Do what you need to do. Stay happy. Stay in a good spirit. On the Spirit Boosting channel, leave some comments. Okay, y'all heard the message. Y'all know the tips. Stay in survival mode. Stay in crisis mode. Stay in last plague mode. Stay in uppercut mode. Watch out for granny mode. Do you take care of you? All the modes. Most importantly, prepper mode. Start you a pantry storage food area today. Okay, I gotta go now. I gotta finish getting my dinner ready. Hope y'all have a great dinner. No, I'm not gonna share the dinner. I know I can do all that, but at least I'm showing y'all the ingredients. Yes, it's gonna be good. I already did it anyway. Y'all can look at my food playlist. I got plenty playlists. If you want to see me already cook the pot pie, go check it out in my playlist. Okay, y'all have a beautiful, blessed day.